Easy now. Watch the strap on the left.
Got it. Bring it up slowly.
Clear. Securing this one now.
Okay, these drums are cleared for staging. Make sure they go to zone 4.
Copy that. Moving them now. These structures correlate perfectly with the expected compound.
Yes, the purity analysis looks promising for the latex samples. Are the formers dipping evenly in tank 5?
Yes, the coating consistency is perfect.
Levels in tank 2 are stabilizing.
The final rinse looks good. Sending the data now.
The air pressure seems stable now.
Good. We are clearing the line smoothly.
The air pressure seems stable now.
Good. We are clearing the line smoothly.
see this thin spot right here.
We do.
Yes, that's definitely a reject.
AGV4, clear the main aisle. Order 72B for Norway is ready for pickup at lane 3.
Bay 3, confirm the DUREX shipment is secure.
Roger that, Supervisor.
All pallets strapped and ready for seal.
Pallet is set on the left side, next to the dry ice shipment.
Copy that. Confirming placement. All straps secure and the net is latched. Manifest checked. Seal it up.
DUREX Logistics, trailer 42 is secured. Seal 192K7 confirmed, ready for dispatch.
This is Unit 42, all checks green, confirm 5 degrees Celsius, ready for departure.
Route to Mercy Hospital is confirmed. Drive safely.
Control, DUREX truck number 42 cleared for departure. Seal verified.
Okay, let's see the manifest for the DUREX shipment. Seal looks intact. All right, head on through.
The count on this one is 48.
Okay, updating the system now. Send it to Zone 4.
And that's the last box.
Great. If you could just sign the confirmation right here.
Here's the shipment you were expecting.
Great, thanks. Let's get these inside.
Did you see the results from the electron microscope?
Yes, the internal structure looks promising for the new compound.
Pay close attention to the magnified display. This tolerance is critical for the final product.
And we log this in the quality manual here.
Correct, document everything.
Yes, the real-time data confirms the bottleneck at Station 3. We've adjusted the parameters and expect throughput to normalize within the hour.
All right, team. Day shift achieved 105% of the target. Let's maintain that momentum and focus on quality metrics tonight.